and that concept. So today we are going to learn a new concept, that is these and those. Okay, it is very simple as we have done this and that concept. So in this we are going to learn these and those concept. Okay, so let's start. And please children, do practice at home, send your photos and videos because these are very important for us to learn. Okay children, so today we are going to learn this and those concept. Okay, we'll do a quick recap of this and that. When we use this, if there is an object that is near to us, we are going to use this. And if the object is very far with us, we are going to use that. But in that children, we are going to say about only one object. But now in this, we are going to learn that the objects are more than one. If the object are more than one, then we are going to use this and those, these and those. Because we are saying about the object that is more than one. एक से ज़्यादा है और वो दूर है या पास है, तब ये यूज करना है. Okay, here near far is we are going to see, but we are going to see that the objects are more than one. Many objects. Okay, so these and those. So now can you see this hand? He is pointing towards the ball and he is saying about the balls. These, those are balls. So now children, the balls are very far. Yes, so I have told you when something is far, we are going to use those. So you have to circle those. Those are balls because the balls are very far. If object is very far, we are going to use those. And the object is more than one. The objects are more than one. At that time, we are going to use those. Okay. So now this. These, those are my books. Okay. Now here he is pointing towards the books, but the books are very near to him. Okay. And the books are more than one. So I am going to use these. These आएगा because the object is very close to him, that is not far, and the objects are more than one. There are many objects, so we are going to use these. These are my books. Okay children. Okay, now can you see he is pointing his hand towards the birds. Can you see the birds are near or far? The birds are very far and the birds are more than one. Okay, so the birds are more than one. At that time we are going to use these and those. And the object is far. He is showing the object that is very far from him. So I am going to use those. Those are birds. Yes. So this way children, you have to do the concept of these and those. I hope you understood this concept. When we are going to use these and those, when we are saying about more than one object. Okay. And if the object is far, we are going to use those. If the object is near, we are going to use these. Okay. These and those objects. So I hope you learned this and I hope you understand this concept. If you have any trouble, you can message me and you can tell me. And please do practice of this and send me your videos and photos with me. Okay children.